trees. Look at all the poison oak. Lots of poison oak. Everywhere you look. I was talking to the rangers about mountain lions. Can't say that they've seen any mountain lions up here. They see a lot of proof that they're here. Paw prints. Scat. But they say that the bobcat runs this park. They say they're very active here, the bobcats. Okay guys, this is camp for the night. Got Christina and her little setup. The North Face Sequoia too. And her quilt and stuff. And our messy table right now. Susan's making dinner. And here we got our camp, which is normal except for Susan forgot all her steep gear. So she's sleeping on the floor tonight. I've offered my pad for her and her pillow, but she doesn't want to take it. She made the mistake. So she's going to. So she's sitting here making some hot dogs. How you feel, Susan?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Christina's just sitting here making a list for our next little adventure. Actually, our big adventure that's coming up. Campground's pretty much empty, except for all the campsites around us. But so we're gonna have fun. So guys, it's Mike and Susan and Christina.
Hi.
Oh, can't see you. We're at the Doane Valley Campground. We're staying the night here. Just for the night. It's a quick night. Quick little... Sorry. Wow, can't see me. There you go. Just a quick little overnighter. Car camping. We just took a little walk around the pond. It's right back over there. Didn't see anything. Out here looking for wildlife in this nice dark forest.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
A good night. It wasn't too cold last night. Yeah, you guys can't even see us. Light's a little bright. I'll just turn this off. Oh, you can't see us at all.
Morning, Christina. Hey guys, it's Mike from Love to Wander. We are here at Doane Valley Campground for the night, quick overnighter. Just to get out of the house. Jeep goes in for a new motor today, so we have to get back home. And just hope you like what you've seen. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe out there. Okay guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina. Well, I just had to send Susan away because her phone wouldn't stop notifying her. Hey. Okay guys, there she goes. She's going into the shop. And if we're lucky, in about 2 weeks, we will have our Jeep back. If we're lucky.